I'm MonicaRodrigues from Cabo Verde Island. I'm a specialist on gender, communication and climate change. I started my climate focus field after working as an environmental communicator and also while doing my research program on climate change at Brown University. With my skills and background, the experiences to found the movement first in 2018 in Madagascar, later in 2019 in Cabo Verde by engaging local activists and young women leaders with the common goals toward gender, women and climate change. My motivation apart from being one of these many voices is to increase women participation and leadership role in climate change adaptation policy. On the other hand, strengthen and create policies on gender equality and women's access to resources. My main struggle initially is confronting my own reality, the reality of many young girls and women in Cabo Verde. I became aware of my own story, a story of a young girl who was raised up by a single and rural woman who are forced to migrate to urban city to better her living conditions. I'm overcoming these challenges by promoting dialogue, by advocating, raising awareness on issues on gender, women, vulnerabilities in facing climate change. As an African woman, I feel the unique insights I bring to the table is portray women and vulnerable communities facing climate change not only as a victim, but as a provider of technical and practical solutions to mitigate and adapt to climate change.